Selkirk demo.
8 come in, only 1 goes out. Running, that is. Last one moving wins the money. And we're going to count it down from 5, ladies and gentlemen. Help me out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag.
That's key. Look for the little bar on top of the car. Oh, he messed up.
187 pulled his flag out easily. The number 12 now on the flat.
Set up, eh?
Yeah, set them up, man.
Run, buddy, run! Yeah! Sammy!
Oh, Dean's had it, I think.
No. Get him in there, Dean.
The bad car now looks like he's at the mercy of the DJ4 Junior.
Hit him! Yeah!
Anthony's had it.
Nope, he's done. He's going.
Just take shots on it, can't say anything.
Anthony's done.
And the DJ4 puts his flag down. He's out of it. So now that leaves Bad and the DJ4 left. The DJ Junior pulls his flag down.
He's got it. He's got it. Go, Dean! Go, Dean! Hit him!
This might be it, ladies and gentlemen. You can see he's pumping the gas in there.
Oh, no.
He's going to pull it down.
Dean got first hit. Dean got